Hi, I'm Cesar Cordero and I'm on team CAT, team number 20. And we're looking at how business hours correlate with Yelp reviews. So our team decided to define success by looking at the number of reviews a business gets. So if it gets at least 19 reviews and it has at least 4 stars, we consider the business successful. We take a look at the Jupyter notebook. Here we see our data cleaning. So we opened up our CSV file, then we removed any duplicates since there were a lot of cities called Santa Barbara, but with errors. We also had a function to calculate the amount of hours a business was open. And then we had data frames where we filtered through review counts and price range and weekend hours. Now I'm going to pass it over to Taylor to talk about the data visualization.
Hi, my name is Taylor Mack, also part of Team CAT. So for our data visualization, we used a library called Seaborn. What Seaborn is it allows us to create plot points based on the data frames that we generated in Python. One of the challenges we faced was identifying graphs and plots that would be relevant to the story we were trying to tell. Our initial idea was to try to map locations and see if we can derive a pattern from those maps. Unfortunately, we realized that all it really told us was a lot of businesses are in Santa Barbara. And so we eventually landed on using a histogram and a pie chart to tell our story about how the amount of hours a business stays open can impact its success. To tell you more about this, let me pass you on to Angeles.
Hello, my name is Angela Sagredano, and to go off what Taylor and Caesar has told you, after going through our data cleaning and our data visualization process, we noticed a correlation between hours and ratings. That shows that the most successful businesses worked the most hours, had the most ratings, and the most unsuccessful businesses worked less hours, had fewer ratings. But we also noticed that it correlates with the amount of days that they worked, either weekends or weekdays. And to conclude, the businesses that worked the most during the weekdays had the most successful and by the amount of ratings, and the most unsuccessful businesses had fewer ratings. That correlates with working during the weekends. Thank you.